mountain high. When I was king, I played at the hard and fast. I walked away, I walked away. Easy on my knees, oh, and it would. Come on, you can have me, go back. My feet can have me, no. My feet can have me, no. But I'm gonna keep it down.
What's up, guys? This is Adrian again here with Grease Bros. Today we're finally gonna go ahead and disassemble accessories, pretty much, I guess you could say. We're gonna take apart the turbo and take the intake off. Also take off the valve cover and get the torque in the head down there again. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and start taking the turbo off of here. I'm gonna, I don't even know where to start, man. Alright, I'll go ahead and just take the light off there. Rusty bolts, they get stuck in, oh, this one may break. Nope, came out cool. But yeah, they get stuck in sockets. See, guys, the ones that know. And if you don't, now you know. I messed up the gasket, but that's gonna get replaced anyways. But this is gonna get replaced as well. My tuner told me that my O2 bungs are way too close to the exhaust, apparently, or to the tip. I don't know, so I'm gonna come out a little bit more and come out a little bit more flat out of there, because it'll come and make the car a little bit quieter as well, because it's extremely loud. Starving up for oil for a little bit.
Starving?
Yeah. That was in the wine right there.
What the heck?
I don't know what that is, but
Hold on, let me make sure that focuses.
it fell. It's gone.
Oh.
Too bad. It was something. Some type of fabric or something was in there. That was weird. Hey, that's a turbo. I think was leaking though, bro. You see that? But the valves, you see, they're a little white, but for the most part, they're, you know, they look pretty okay. Don't look terrible. Manifold's off. That looks crazy. Cool. In there too. This is the intake side. For those of you that don't know, this does have 3 valves per cylinder on the intake. Kind of cool, kind of different.
So that makes it a V12?
Yes, actually W16, but
W, because that's all the GTIs take.
you already know, boy. No, we take L's a lot, actually. But yeah, now I gotta take that valve cover off and see if I can check the torque on that head real quick. I'm gonna do that first. Well, I noticed this right here. As you guys can see, there's some oil in between the head and the gasket there. So yeah, it may have either lifted the head or done something, but at this point, that said, whenever I check the torque, I'll go ahead, and if I see anything loose, of course I have to replace the head gasket. But if everything's it's still within specifications, I still may replace the head gasket because I mean that shouldn't be leaking like that. But anyways, let's get to it. My stock cams. Alright, let's check this torque real quick. Go grab the special tool. This is the other piece of that. Oh, it's stuck. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna check the mains. So yeah, no, I'm just looking at everything. It looks pretty good in there. Nothing really crazy, you know. And the rods. So I'm about to check the torque on everything now. You guys can see, you know, I got my ARP mains, ARP rod bolts. You guys can see the rods and stuff like that. Kind of crazy. Like, you know, I'm not gonna lie, guys. You know, I put this together. I was nervous. Now we chilling. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. I'm just gonna check the torque over. Where am I going right now, dog? But anyways, I took the main cap off. Yep, that's the main. Bro, that's honestly like super good, bro.